Hi everybody, it's Mark. It's Thursday, February 3rd, 2011, and Wednesday morning, we had a horrendous snowstorm. We got about a foot of snow, and we spent the last day and a half digging out, taking all the snow off the driveway, and I figured the best way to show you how much snow that we've had is to actually take you for a walk down the driveway. So, let's go see all the work that I've done. Hold on. There we go. Now, the big irony is, after moving all this snow, we're expecting more snow. I don't know if we're getting a foot, but we're getting more snow on Saturday and Sunday, so I'm going to be doing it all week. Take care.